A leak of DFINITY's Caffeine AI has just surfaced Twitter, and today I'm going to be reacting to it in this video. All right, guys, so we're doing, two videos in one day. And we're going to be reacting to this video that just got leaked on Twitter of Caffeine AI. So Dom has been showing it off in real life events. And obviously at events, people are taking videos of it and stuff. So, yeah, and we're going to be reacting to it. It's on Twitter, so everyone can already watch it on Twitter. So I said, why don't I just react to it? Somebody put it in my Telegram, and I said, yeah, we should just react to it. So we're going to hop straight into it. And if you don't know what Caffeine AI is your first time, it is a project by DFINITY that is going to be coming out, I don't know when, but it says here, Caffeine's mission is to enable anyone to create and update web apps and internet services by talking. Where AI builds with humans is their slogan. So we're going to check this out and see what's going on. Let's get into it. So right now it looks like his DOM is, doing a type-in. The whole thing, the main sell of it is you can talk to it and everything, but DOM's not showing that off right now. And the audio is a bit quiet, so yeah.
Add comments to open. It should, this is ridiculous, but be possible to vote. And it's ridiculous because we're not specifying enough, obviously. For the purpose of demo, make it look sexy, sure thing. So if you warn, this could very well go wrong based on these things. So one of the things you're going to see is, aside from the fact it may have some compile errors and have to fix its own errors, so the AI, it's writing with the wrong language version and things like that, so it'll look at the compile errors and have to work it out. It's now writing ICP software. This isn't really the innovation though. And there you see that's the Motoko thing it's writing here. So it's actually, writing this, I mean, obviously by human standards, extremely quickly, right? Actually it's going to get much quicker. So if you look, if you're interested in this kind of thing, go to the Cerberus website. Cerberus is a company that's trying to compete with NVIDIA, and rather than GPUs, they're creating these ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits, that are optimized for inference. And each of these Cerberus ASICs looks like a sort of dinner plate size chip. So the future compute nodes are going to be very interesting, but it can literally spit out code almost instantaneously. It's like 75x quicker than H100s hosted by SageMaker or something like that. So quick as this is, it's not really quick. Like code is going to be spat out at just incredible rates. So there we go. Writing ICP software, Internet Computer Protocol software, deploying ICP software. We're about to find out if it's made a compiler.
And if you were to create a prompt using like a modern LLM, the results would be just more accurate, kind of just better.
And there's been a lot of, this is probably one of the most controversial, projects that's come out. There's been, a lot of speculation around this. Is it going to be the game changer for ICP, or is it going to be a flop? Now, ultimately, we're going to, it's going to get shipped and we're going to find out, and the market's going to respond to it or not. Some of the questions thinking off the top of my head about this product and the success of it is, one of them is there going to be something in Web 2 that is going to be able to do the exact same thing? Because if that's the case, or it already exists, then I think this thing will have trouble taking off. All right, because at the end of the day, nobody actually cares when they're using if they're using an AI, prompt generator, stuff like this. Is OpenAI going to be able to do this? Is Meta going to be able to do this? Is Google going to be able to do this? That's kind of the big question I have here. Is someone bigger going to be able to do this, or are they already doing it? Because if that's the case, it's not. It might not be that accepted well by the market. The market might not respond to it too well. Now, there's also the case that it could do super well. And we don't really know because it hasn't really been shipped yet. There's only, been leaks like this, but I kind of just want to give you where my thoughts are at. Because I don't really want to, get super, super excited about something and then it ships and then it just ends up being, kind of not as good as we thought, etc. So I kind of want to be like, all right, what are the things that could go wrong, etc. Just giving you my thoughts.
Right?
Well, this
Like, as
is
opposed to just,
yeah, this is actually LLM agnostic.
All right.
You take a foundational model and fine tune it, but fine tuning is problematic. So that's what we're doing in terms.
And we'll see if he does in this video. But I was kind of hoping he was going to do the text to speech, the talking, speech to text, whatever.
This isn't the fine tune version because when you fine tune an LLM, you can make it forget other stuff. So it's really fit. Togo, for example, is we've got like 1,000 training examples. But then you suddenly find it forgets how to learn.
Also, let me just say this: I'm not an AI expert, so yeah.
To speak Hindi. So this is multilingual.
Ooh.
When I was in Argentina, people were building. I was demonstrating. People were building in Spanish.
Ooh.
You'll be able to build in Mandarin, Spanish, German, whatever you want. Okay, so it says it's ready, right? Your computer URL is ready, secure, sovereign, internet native. So how long would that take? 1-2 minutes. So you can imagine that taking 15 seconds. Click open app.
Let's see what the app actually looks like. That's kind of...
Okay. So it's there. And you can have these different things, positions, candidates. You've got two different things. Okay, but app position.
And this is another thing I want to say is that, like, with all software, it's going to come in stages. So I'm hoping Caffeine AI 10 years from now can be an absolute beast, or 5 years from now, or even this year. Hoping quicker than later, of course, because that would probably be good for the ICP price. But, software does take time to develop.
Requirements. I don't know why I have to enter real data. This is the problem for engineering. Like, just okay, create position. So there's the position, right? So you add 2 positions, don't know, it looks a bit stupid, right? Growth. You will work driving growth, small channels, deep SEO and social media. Okay, so we have 2 positions. Add a comment. This is actually not a job for me, so yeah. We should leave so.
And by the way, I don't really know when this video was taken either, so.
We can now see that we've got growth hacker, lead engineer, a comment. Okay, so we've got 2 positions, right? Candidates. So you see what's happening here? Like now I've got this thing, I've got positions, and I got comments. I've got candidates. You can vote on the candidates. Tech Talent Hub. Let's make a change. Change the application to.
Okay, and that is it for the leaks. And there's also been some other leaks on Twitter as well. Pretty cool. And once again, we're just going to have to see what it's like when it actually gets shipped. I mean, you know how it is. I mean, there's demos of things and stuff like that. And then there's actually the product live. And we'll see what it can do. I mean, ultimately, I don't think anybody actually knows except some of the people at DFINITY. So I'm hoping, of course I'm hoping it's super, super bullish and everything. But my one thing is just like, is there going to be an AI giant like OpenAI, Meta, one of these guys who's going to step in and be able to squash this? That's the only thing that's kind of in the back of my mind that could be a problem. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Once again, I'm not an AI expert. I don't claim to be. So, yeah, I'm just kind of giving you some of my raw thoughts. And, yeah, pretty cool. So if you're interested, go check it out. Caffeine AI. You can go follow DFINITY as well, at DFINITY. And also, I want to give you guys a quick update on KongSwap. So KongSwap, this is not really the Caffeine AI, but has gone integrated into the NFID wallet for the NFID wallet in-house swaps. So yeah, pretty cool. I know some of you guys use NFID. I like the product. I like Dan. I think he's doing a good job. I think the wallet's going to get a lot better in the future. But yeah, cool update for Kong. And also, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to go follow me, leave a like, leave a comment, follow me at Aaron Bremser _. And, I'm super excited to see. I really hope they can ship this. Here's the one thing also. I want to give one last, final thought. There's a lot of people who are saying, drop it out, drop it out, drop it out. And I disagree. Now, there's a couple ways. Once again, I'm not an expert on the market, etc. But what I assume they're waiting to happen is for the price of ICP to move up a little bit. Now, of course, Bitcoin's at like 100K. But the altcoin market isn't where it needs to be. Now, if you remember last cycle, the altcoin market didn't really take off till May. April/May is when the alts really started to make a move. My prediction is that ICP is waiting for the altcoin market to heat up before they drop this. Now, of course, nobody actually knows what direction the market's going in, but I think we should hopefully see a proper altcoin season in 2025. I think we'll probably see it in Q2. So I'm assuming DFINITY is going to wait till then, or at least till it gets hotter. So maybe Q1, Q2, I don't know. But that's why I think they've been delaying it. I think, if they put it out right now while the market's not doing shit, might not be effective, But once again, we're just going to have to see what happens, and it is what it is at the end of the day. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, follow me on Aaron Bremser _, follow KongSwap at KongSwap, and yeah, thank you for watching.